Hi, everyone. My name is Amanda, and I'm a lead learning and development specialist here at Cvent. One of the most exciting parts of the job is getting the opportunity to come to your cities to train you on a variety of Cvent topics at our regional training workshops. It's always great getting to see you in person, but I always love seeing those aha moments that even our most experienced users have from time to time when learning about a feature that they have been searching for that will make their lives easier. I'm sure to see that feeling collectively in the room when we discuss one specific report in our event creation or reporting classes. So let's take a look at that together now. We like to refer to this feature as the primary report because it's the answer to that age-old question of, can I pull all of the fields in my event into one report? And the answer to that is an astounding yes. So here in my event, I'm going to navigate over here to my menu on the left-hand side. I'll click into reports and into reports again to open up the reporting area. And to make our lives easier, I will go ahead and I'm going to just hop into the report templates tab, and under the category dropdown, I'm going to navigate over to the attendee category. I'll just need to scroll down a little bit and we're looking for the download invitee details report. So it's in alphabetical order. We have this download invitee details report. You'll notice that there is a little icon next to the name of the report. That is just indicating to us that we're not actually going to be able to run this report in Cvent. What's going to happen is that we are going to select what fields we would like to include, and then we can download it into an Excel spreadsheet. So you'll see when I run this report, it's going to show me some of that selection criteria. So I can choose some various settings, such as what I'm wanting to include in this report and when. Hopping over to my Fields tab, you can easily see why this is a really helpful and one of our favorite reports and why we call it that primary report. We have 457 fields that we can pull into this report. So it also makes sense why we're not able to run it in Cvent because that is a lot of data. So what I can do here is I will actually go and hit select all. So I can select all of these wonderful fields, everything from contact fields to custom contact fields to my registration questions, travel questions, everything that we have collected in this event and then some. I'll have the opportunity to save this as a saved report to my saved reports tab. But you'll also see that I can export this report. So I'll select that export button. And because we're exporting it, of course, we are not able to place it into an access portal or, again, view it in our Cvent account. However, it does download as a file for us to be able to download and view as an Excel file. All right, so there you have it. I downloaded this. It downloaded as a CSV file, but I was able to easily export into Excel. You can see all almost 500 of these fields. Most of these fields were not fields that I use in my event, hence why they are blank. But you can see some of those getting filled out here toward the end of the report, and it will allow you to just see all of the data that you had your attendees fill out or is applicable to your event. I hope you enjoyed learning about this feature and how it can make a difference in your Cvent workflow. I will see you at a regional training workshop in a city near you soon. In the meantime, please visit the Cvent community to engage in the open forum, explore resources in the learning centers, network in the community user groups, and submit product ideas directly to our tech teams. I've been working at Cvent for almost 7 years now, and I still leverage the learning centers multiple times a day to locate resources. It's my hub of information for knowledge-based articles that is nicely organized into categories based on the product that I'm working with. I hope you all will check out this amazing feature soon.